All right, guys, so Black Friday every year, we try and do everything we can for you guys. We've got tons of sales starting today, November 1st. Yeah, we're a little late to the recording. We are doing the pins again, limited to 500. Spend over 250 bucks on the website. You're gonna get a pin. It's gonna be individually numbered. This one is number 80, so if you get this one, then you know it has graced my hand. Along with that, what we're gonna do is once we run out of these, we're gonna do a drawing, and 4 different manufacturers have gotten on board. We've got any intake for your Volkswagen from Neuspeed for free, Solo-Werks coilovers, any application for free. Konig's donated a set of Oversteers, 18 by 8 if I'm not mistaken. And then 034 Motorsport has donated basically an inlet, turbo muffler to lead, rear endlinks, and the silicone piping for an MQB. So that's their new release products that I guess just went on sale like a month ago or so, and we're gonna be raffling those off with these pins. So you'll get the pin regardless of if an item you order is in stock or not. We will ship these pins directly to you guys. When you do get it, make sure you hold on to it, because obviously we're gonna draw the number. We're not gonna draw the name or anything like that. When we do draw the number, you just send us a picture of your pin with the number, and we will get you squared away with whatever you want. Along with that, make sure that you get your orders in as quickly as possible, because this is limited to 500. There's no number picking. We're just gonna go through and just shoot you out whichever one is next in line to go out. Anyway, guys, we really appreciate you guys as always, and every Black Friday we try and give back as much as we possibly can. We've done Xboxes, PS4s, all sorts of car parts before. This is our biggest giveaway so far. We've never had coilovers, wheels, intake, and we're working on some other stuff. There might be some more, but for now we have those 4 giveaways that we're doing to the lucky 500 people, man. So we appreciate you guys again. Way more sales coming out. So far today we have Airlift, HPA, and Konig. Konig is 5% off all month long, so take advantage of those savings, and we really appreciate it again.